Lagyan mo si madam ng ano.
Wait lang.
Mapulo na nga yan.
So, hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And hello to all the Yumilicious around the world. How are you there? So, tonight we are here in Mukbang Korean restaurant because we celebrate. We celebrate for what? So, here we go guys. We're all hungry now.
What? Okay, ma'am.
So, we're going to finish.
How many?
Four. Okay, so we will eat now, guys.
What? Ano? Spoon is more.
Okay.
Water sa bibig sa lang. Thank you.
So we have here the
Ano yung ano? Olive oil. Ano?
Ito naman tayo. Sure daw,
guys.
wait lang. Hindi ako makapokus.
And this one, this is the what do you call this one?
Chicken, ano, I don't know.
Okay, guys, with the garlic.
Tingnan niya siya. Victor, bebe.
Ano ka picture?
Gusto mo kanan rock, no? Kanin na. Kaya ko ba yan?
Picture sa cellphone niya. Ako mo?
So guys, I'm full now, and I will ask my friends what is their feedback regarding the food here in Mukbang Korean restaurant. So guys, okay, I will ask Rose, what can you say about the food here?
Actually, I'm full, so I cannot say anything.
And how about you, Anne?
Hello? Me, I'm busy.
Yeah, she's busy eating. And you, Roxanne,
All
what
I
can
can
you say
say
about
is
the
thank
food?
you for the treat because my stomach is full.
Thumbs up. Okay, guys. Okay, their food is amazing. Okay, I have nothing to say, but there is something.
I was looking for.
Yes, that we must.
There's something
That
that
they
I was
must do something like an options, especially for the dessert. But their food is good, amazing, especially the beef. As you can see, it's finished already, and even their iced tea. But their iced tea, it's not together with this. How much this one per head? It's 69 dirhams, right? Yeah, 69 dirhams. So you can have this barbecue grill like the calamari, the chicken spicy, the beef, and also with the shrimp, and also some beef, yeah, sliced beef, Australian beef, and there is some macaroni salad. And some kimchi. Those who love kimchi, you visit here in Mukbangs, okay? And also they have some soup.
San soup?
Okay, the soup is very tasty. It's very tangy to our tongue, okay? So,
What does smoking ang
as you can see guys, we enjoy a lot here. And if you want to try their food, so they're located
along
the highway of Electra Street, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. So they're open from what time they open?
I don't know. But
So we have no idea, but they're open at
closing 1 a.m.
from 11 a.m. until 1 a.m. guys. Okay, so don't forget to visit here in Mukbang Korean restaurant.
Please like and subscribe.
Okay, and also guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Yum Yum Herbias, and also don't forget to like and share.
Magkano mo
Okay,
si Martiera?
guys, this is Kimchi, Mr. Kimchi, and he is from Nigeria. Okay, so can you please invite my viewers to visit here in Mukbang Korean restaurant? Can you please invite now?
Yes. Hi everyone. I will be happy if you guys can come and visit the Mukbang Show restaurant at Letra. And then we are very kind and we're very good at service. We'll be happy. We can see you guys. Thank you. See you soon.
Yeah, actually, he is from Nigeria. So what can you say about your family there?
Say hi to you.
Say hi to your family.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I'm from Nigeria. My name is Caleb, Mr. Kimchi. Everyone knows me as Mr. Kimchi. And I'm happy as Mukbang because our company, we need everyone to come and eat, enjoy. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Kimchi. Thank you for accommodating us. You have a great service. Okay, so please continue that one.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so
Bye.
much. Yes. Okay. Oh, wow,
This is
Mr.
for you, man.
Wow, thank you so much. There is a complimentary here. Yes, actually, he is the manager here. What's your good name, sir?
Paul.
Yeah, Mr. Paul, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. So, how's the taste? Roxanne?
Hindi ko parehong taste.
Yeah, it's a mango.
Ano sa ice cream, Mingo? Sarap kasing gamitin. Ha? Kasi? Ewan ko ako nasa. Ikaw daw, ano? Rate 1 to 10.
How's the taste? Okay, let me try.
It tastes like an ice cream. It'll make a flavor. Pabuti na kayo sa review. Pwede ka naman yung makain.
Nawa. Uuwi na nga lang ako, hindi mo pa ako pinuntahan.
Kailan daw uwi mo? Sabihin mo.
For and after.
Sa Sunday yung uwi ko. Monday na yung uwi ko, Monday ka pa makakita pa sa kita. Ito. Ako yung inaano mo din eh.
So guys, we're going home now. Thank you, Mr. Kimchi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you
Very soon.
soon.
Thanks so much, ma'am.
See? Thank you so much. Pakisabi kay Mr. Paul, thank you sa dessert. So guys, we're done. It's time to go home. Okay. Guys, say hi. Roxanne.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Mukbang. Picture tayo mukbang.
Picture.
Ay, Rose, saan ka?
Rose. Oy.
Ano ba yung order mo? Asa